Hi, my YouTube family. Welcome from Epic Taste USA. This is my new recipe video friendly YouTube social media style. All my services are especially for the USA and completely free for all my lovely friend. Around the world, just subscribe and support me. Thank you so much for your love, care, and kindness. Delicious potato flatbread. Made with soft mashed potatoes, simple spices, and fresh herbs, this flatbread is perfect for breakfast, snacks, or lunch. It's soft, flavorful, kid-friendly, and ready in no time. Let's get started and make this tasty recipe together.
First, make the dough according to your family size. Add 1 tablespoon of salt to the flour.
Add water and make a smooth dough. Mix well. Finally, the dough is ready. Cover it and let it rest for 30 minutes. Peel and chop the potatoes. Finally, I have peeled all the potatoes. Finally, I place the potatoes to boil on medium heat. 30-second, half boil, 1 minute, full boiled. Finally, the potatoes are fully boiled. Now, remove them from the pot. Let me show you. Look how soft it is. I've made a smooth potato paste. Add 2 teaspoons salt. Add 1 teaspoon red chili powder. Add green chilies and coriander. Finally, mix well. Guys, finally, I added the dot spices to the potato paste. It's ready. Guys, first dust the tray with some flour. Take some dough, coat it with dry flour, and shape it into a small, round dough ball. Make the size according to your preference. Made 2 dough balls, now roll one flat. Two flatbreads are ready. Brush 1 TSP oil on the flatbread. Now spread the potato paste on the flatbread. I've spread the potato paste all over the flatbread. Now place the second flatbread over the potato-filled one. Now seal the edges well. We've placed the flatbread on the pan. Don't add oil right away. Let it cook slightly from the bottom first. The bottom side is lightly cooked now, so we'll add some oil. Now we'll flip it to the other side. Finally, dish out it. Guys, finally our delicious potato flatbread is ready. Give this recipe a try and let me know what you think. Please like, share, and subscribe to support the channel. And turn on the bell icon so you never miss a new video. Check out my other recipes, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!